How to fix Snapchat media upload problem. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. So without further ado, let us begin. So it is quite simple. So what you want to do first is head on to your settings. Once you're here, what you want to do is just go to general. Then after that, just go to iPhone storage. And then once you're here, what you want to do is just look for Snapchat. And then once you're here, what you want to do first is to simply just offload the app. So what offloading the app does, so this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So what you want to do first is just offload the app first, and then after that just reinstall the app and then try opening it and to see if the problem still persists. But if it didn't work, what you can do now is to just simply delete the app and then reinstall it again. So to delete the app, just click on delete app right there, delete the app, and then just reinstall the app from the App Store and then open it up again and check if the problem is already fixed. And then that is pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.